So I've got my blood pressure monitor here. Now this was gifted to me so I could go ahead and we're going to go over the features of this and also show you everything that it does come with. I mean, I love that it's very portable. I don't have to go to a drugstore or a doctor to do my blood pressure because honestly, I don't know how to do it. So automatically that makes it just so much easier. Now this is powered by either batteries that are located here. It does come with 4 AA batteries, or you can use a charging cord that's provided. This is a type C. You'd plug it in there, and the other end you're going to plug into a USB-A port, and it comes with a little storage bag to go ahead and store everything. And of course then we have our cuff here with our air hose. This cuff does fit any arm up from 8.6 inches all the way up to 16.5 inches. Now the monitor itself, back here on this side here, we do have a speaker because it does have voice prompts. We've got our on and off switch, and I've mentioned before, this is our power over here. On this side, this is where we're going to go ahead and just plug in our cuff. It's just like that. We've got our start and stop button, a set button, and this is how we're going to go ahead and change the settings. To access the settings, you're going to do when it's off and just hit the set button. This allows you to see the amount of battery that's left. You can go ahead and change either it's 1 or 2 people, which it does have 99 readings per person. You can change the date and the time, and then you can turn the speaker on or off, and then you can also go ahead and clear all the readings. Let's go ahead and do a demonstration. We're going to go ahead and just slip our cuff on. I'm just going to put it above the elbow. Make sure this is snug on me. We want to make sure our hose is going down our arm. Then we're going to go ahead and relax and hit the start button.
The measurement is starting. Please relax. Do not move or talk.
So you can hear the voice prompts. It's telling me not to talk, but I need to for just a moment. So that's good. I'm going to go ahead and let it air up and then just take my reading.
Systolic blood pressure 134 mmHg. Diastolic blood pressure 71 mmHg. Heart rate 65 beats per minute. Your blood pressure is normal.
So what's great about that, the prompt will even tell you if your blood pressure is normal, abnormal, high. It's also getting your pulse too, which I really like. So it's got a lot of good information, super easy to use, and it's going to store, of course, up to 99 readings for me, and then of course the same for anyone else. Super handy to have at home, and I hope you found this helpful.